I often face a problem where AI can't keep up with the latest tech, like Tailwind version 4 and React, for example. And I have here the latest version of Next.js, which is 15.3.2, but if we would ask AI to give us the latest version, what is the latest version of Next.js, he's going to say something really old, probably 14 point something. So it's saying here that the latest stable version of Next.js is 14.1.0, released on December 5th, 2024, which is really bad, meaning that if we want to create something from this chat right here, it would give us everything that is related to Next.js 14, and the latest version is 15.3.2. And I found one really great open source solution for this, and it's called Context 7. So here we have the latest context from each technology, and here you can see Next.js, Supabase, ShadCNUI, Tailwind CSS, etc. So we can just simply click on Next.js, and here we have entire context of the latest changes from the latest version of Next.js. So what we can do, this is the simplest possible way. We just copy the link, we return back to our application right here, and we say the same question. What is the latest version of Next.js? And we just say use, and then I just pasted this link right here. Now it's saying that the project is using Next.js version 15.3.2 as specified in my package.json, and this is the latest stable version as of my last update. And you can verify this on this link. And the project configuration looks good with modern dependencies including React 19.1.0 and various Redux UI components. So now he is up to the latest dependency. So if you'd like to refactor from Tailwind version 3 to Tailwind version 4 and you need some AI help, this is the perfect tool for something like that. And for more advanced usage, they have their own MCP server, which we can put inside of our code editor. And it's really easy. We just go here to their repo, and here it is. This is how to install it in Cursor, in Windsurf, and whatever you are using. I'm using Windsurf currently, so I'm just going to copy this JSON right here. Then I return back to Windsurf. I open the settings, Command Shift and P. Then we have settings, open Windsurf user settings, this one, and we go to Cascade. Then here we manage our plugins and we have our raw config file. So here I'm just going to paste in the MCP server that I copied from the repo right there. And now we can use it. If we check here the documentation, there is a use context 7 like this inside the prompt. We just put this on the end of our prompt where we need to have the latest dependencies and everything. So now if we try everything again, we can ask what is the latest version of Tailwind, and we just say use context 7. Not 8, 7, like this. Okay, so we have here a bunch of MCP things. So it's finding the latest Tailwind CSS version using context 7 MCP server. And it's going to resolve the library ID. So Tailwind CSS, okay. So we have here a bunch of things for Tailwind. Then it's checking the documentation. And finally, let's see when is it getting to the version. So here is how we install Tailwind. And here it is. The latest version of Tailwind CSS is 4.1.7, released on May 28th of 2024, and that one is today. Okay, so we have everything set, and now we can use AI with the latest possible dependencies whenever we need it. I hope I helped you out with this video. You have this link to Context 7 in the description below, and if you want more content like this, join the mighty Horde, subscribe.